And I don't got no ID.
All right, put your hands behind your back for me, okay?
You cannot listen.
Stop. Don't be dumb. Don't be dumb. You're not going to cooperate?
No, I ain't tripping. I don't got no name, though.
On July 12, 2025, officers responded to a Family Dollar store in Florida after a cashier called police over a debit card refund dispute, a dispute the store's own general manager had already resolved by phone before officers even arrived. The arrest that followed rests entirely on one legal element. Under Florida Statute Section 843.02, resisting or obstructing without violence, requires that the officer be in the lawful execution of a legal duty, and that element is directly at issue here.
What's going on?
I need my money back on my card. That's what's going on.
For
I
what?
need my money back on my card that I spent here. Refund. It's called a refund.
And what did you purchase and when did you purchase it?
A pack of gum right now. Not even 5 minutes ago. Haven't even walked out the store.
Basically,
I need my money.
told her.
So what were you doing to damage stuff before
I ain't
paying?
touching in here. It's cameras. Run them.
So basically,
Thank
she's
you.
trying to get cash back.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, she was a penny short. He asked her.
Refund.
She was short on money.
Asked him,
I
can
don't
he
get-
get cash
She
or
ain't
penny
got
in
my
cash?
money.
He
She
told
ain't got
her,
my money.
yeah. She went to the car, got the penny, and came back. And when she came back, now
He
told her
said no. So I said I want a refund.
And he want to act like he can't get her no refund.
So give me my refund.
Did she ever pay for anything?
Yes.
She bought these packs of gum and got cash back,
Mm-hmm.
but we can't do a refund on cash.
She just called her
Gotcha.
manager. Her manager said refund. That's what she's in here doing on my dead mother.
If they're saying that they can't do refunds
listen,
on cash back,
her
then they can't do
general
it.
manager, she just got off the phone with. That's why she just
Don't get
listen.
offended.
That's why she
Okay.
just searched in the garbage for that receipt.
Mm-hmm.
She's sitting there doing the refund. She's saying she can't do nothing because you're here.
No, I
She was just finna refund me my money. And my line, you've been standing right here this whole time. She been typing in this thing. She
Can you
finna
refund the gun, just not the cash back?
Correct.
Okay. So it sounds like she can refund you for the
She
gun.
can refund me my whole thing. She just called the manager. On this little device right here, she just called.
It sounds like
Set
she
in
can
that room
refund you
and
for the
call.
gun, but not
Listen,
the
I need
cash
my
back.
money. Listen, I don't nobody talking about that money came off my card and I need it back on my card. Just like that manager just said, find the receipt and refund her stuff. She gonna find the receipt and refund me my money. Don't know what to say.
What's your name?
None.
Okay, well they want you trespass from here, so you have to give me your
Okay,
name.
once I get my money, I will be trespassing. I don't even live on this
Well, I
side.
need your name to trespass you.
Once I get my money, you will get my name.
That's
Once
not how that
I
works.
get my money, you will get my name.
What's your name? You're with her?
Nope, he not with me. He don't know me.
It's a drag here. Hi there. This is Officer Jess.
I want my money on my
She just
card.
told them to say that. Ain't nobody stupid.
Okay.
On my kids. Like, make this shit make sense.
I just heard.
I'm not slow.
She got the cash.
I don't got nothing. I don't got nothing. It's cameras. It's cameras.
Did she get the cash?
No.
Okay.
It's not in my hand. Just like I swipe my card, it's not in my hand.
Here.
That's not mine. My money was on hers.
They're saying this is yours.
My money was on
Well, this
hers.
is what
That
you
came out
got.
the drawer. That's not mine.
Okay.
That's called stealing.
Well, here's the thing.
That's called stealing.
This is what they got for you right
I
now.
need refund. My money on my
Are they going to
card.
refund it?
No, they can't refund
Yes,
the
they
cash.
Okay.
can. Yes, they can. Yes, they can. Yes,
Okay.
they can. Yes, they can.
Nope.
So we need your
Yes,
name
they
so we can
can.
trespass you.
I don't know my name, and I
Okay.
don't got no ID.
All right, put your hands behind your back for me, okay?
You cannot listen.
Stop. Don't be dumb. Don't be dumb. You're not going to cooperate?
No, I ain't tripping. I don't got no name though. Get my phone back.
No, we'll take it. Thank you.
I need that.
No, you don't. You're not with her.
Get my keys.
She's not with you.
Get my keys.
said he's not with you.
Yes, he is with me.
Get up.
Yes, he is with me.
Get up.
Give my phone to my boyfriend. Give my phone to my boy. Record this, babe.
Get up.
Cause all this over my money.
Okay. Okay.
Get the keys, babe.
Stand
You're
up.
making this more difficult for yourself.
Stand
here.
up. Walk.
I'm not making shit difficult. I got scoliosis. You pulling my hair?
Stop.
You pulling my hair?
Stop.
You pulling my hair?
Turn around. Now.
Turn around for my money. Turn around for my money. Turn around for my money. I got scoliosis. I want you to know that.
All right, turn around. You're
I
going to
got
get sprayed.
scoliosis.
Turn around. You're going to
I
get
got
sprayed.
scoliosis.
Turn around. You're going to get sprayed.
Hey, just let them put you on the handcuff. For my money? Let's make this shit
Turn
make
around.
sense.
Put your hands
And
behind
make
your
sure
back.
you come up to the police station. My head is on the ground, sir.
Well, then
Put
stop
your hands
behind your
behind
back.
your
I'm not even moving. I'm not even moving. I'll be out today. Y'all tripping.
Officers demanded the subject's name to process a trespass notice. Florida, however, does not maintain a standalone stop and identify statute applicable to all encounters. The obligation to identify attaches only after a lawful arrest or a detention grounded in reasonable articulable suspicion of criminal activity. In Hybel versus 6th Judicial District Court of Nevada, the Supreme Court upheld stop and identify statutes only where a valid state identification law exists and the officer possesses reasonable suspicion of criminal conduct. Under Florida versus Bostick, a seizure occurs when a reasonable person would not feel free to leave, and once officers ordered compliance or arrest, that threshold was crossed. A trespass notice is a civil administrative process, not a criminal enforcement action. The officers arrived to a verbal refund dispute, not a crime in progress. Whether the identification demand here qualifies as lawful execution of a legal duty under Section 843.02 is a question a court must resolve. When the subject resisted handcuffing, officers applied controlled physical force. Under Graham v. Connor, decided by the Supreme Court in 1989, the reasonableness of force is judged from the perspective of a reasonable officer on the scene, not in hindsight. The subject was non-compliant with repeated commands, and soft, empty hand control was proportionate to that level of resistance. 2 use of force issues require documentation. The subject disclosed scoliosis during the takedown, and department policy requires officers to document medical disclosures and adjust technique. When tactically feasible, an adjustment not visible in this footage. The subject also alleged her hair was pulled, which constitutes a reportable complaint under Florida use of force policy, regardless of merit.
All this over my money. Let's make
They
this
gave
shit
you
make-
your money.
No, the lady just said that they can refund me. That's what I said. Where my money? Where my money? Where my
I tried to
money?
give it to you.
I bet you gonna take it.
I didn't take it.
Let's make this shit make sense.
All you did is have to give us your name, huh?
I know what I have to give you, but all I have to do is refund me my money,
They
like the
gave you
manager.
your money.
Listen, is y'all gonna listen or not? Oh my damn, my mom just died. The manager said that they can refund me my
Tracy.
money. The manager just said that they can
Yeah.
refund it. I'm telling you, she did before you came in. Ask him. She said it. I promise you.
Right, here, listen
I
to
promise
me.
you, G.
Listen
I
to
promise
me.
you, sir.
They had the money.
Listen. Okay, look, I went in.
Uh-huh.
I was getting cash back. Right? I was trying, my goal was to get $20 cash back. They told me I could not get 20, only 25.
Uh-huh.
I told the man, I said, I only have $12 left on the car. He said,
Right.
take $150 to charge. I said, I have the penny in the car. He said, you can go get it.
Uh-huh.
I went to go get the penny. I went back in. The man said, oh, well, with cash back, you cannot use any change. You have to use the money that's on the car. I said, I'm short a penny. I just asked you this before I left out.
So they had it. Hold on. So they had a $10 bill and a penny with it.
Yeah, no. It was supposed to be 10 cents.
Okay.
It was supposed to be 10 cents. The $10 bill came from the first time I did cash back. If you listen, they said I could not get the whole 20 off, only 25. I didn't have 25. I had 24. I had $24
Right.
and change.
Okay.
So I took off 10. It took 12.04. And I was trying to take off the other 10, but I was short a penny.
Okay.
The man said I could go get the penny out of the car.
Right.
I went to go get the penny, and I came back, and he said he changed his mind. He said I couldn't. He said I couldn't. So I said, can I get a refund? He said no. I said, well, can you go get the manager? Because I know for a fact I can get a refund as long as I got my receipt. They called the manager. The manager said, yeah. The man with the glasses, Paul, called y'all. The police, he said, he don't got time for this and all of that. Called the police. I said,
Right.
call. I'm not doing nothing.
I talked to the manager on the phone. She said she couldn't refund you the
Yeah,
cash
she
back.
said that now because you was here. I'm telling you.
She had the $10 for you.
I'm telling you, if you wouldn't have never came, I swear to God, I was finna get my refund. She was putting it in the computer. She just looked in the garbage for the receipt for 5 minutes. I'm telling you, they just reprinted the receipt and everything.
Okay, I'm telling you what the manager told me. She said that she can't refund the cash back. She
listen,
could give you the cash.
She was about to refund
Okay.
it until she saw you, and I just said, "You finna refund my money?" She said, "I have to wait to see what she say." She pointed directly at you. That was the overlay for the underplay. I don't care about being trespassed from here. I don't live on this side. I just wanted my money back on my card so I can go to Shells and get the whole 20 off. That's it, that's all. I just wanted my money on my card so I could go take the whole 20 off. I didn't care about the store. I didn't damage nothing in the store. I didn't touch nobody in the store. The man just grabbed me by my shoulder and my neck. And I told him to let me go. Because if I hit him, y'all going to be saying that I hit him.
Well, if you hit him.
But he can hit me. He can grab up on me.
No one says that.
Like, make this make sense. I just wanted my money on my card.
Right, no, I get that. But you also have to understand where we're coming from.
I do understand where y'all coming from.
When you're saying you're not going to cooperate with us, you're not going to give us any information.
Because I wanted my money.
Hold on, I understand that, but we can't control how they get your money back to you. I can't control that, okay?
Yeah.
So
they was gonna refund it. They was gonna refund it.
That could be possible. I don't know.
They didn't want to refund it because they was waiting on her ass or whatever she said. That's weird though. She was just gonna refund it. That's so weird. I just wanted my money on my
Where do you
card.
live? You live? You said you live.
I live on Davenport side.
Okay.
I came here to get cash back.
Okay.
My boyfriend finna get ready and go to work. I call him in there because, I know I'm black and they white, and they be lying sometimes, which is understandable. So I call him in there so allow me. They did it before.
All right.
Not here, but in general. Like, I don't know. I just wanted my money back on my
No,
card.
I get that.
And she was about to do it. That's all I'm saying. She was about to do it.
Right.
Until she walked in. Now they got my $10.
He's got it. He got it. Okay. Did you give this other officer your name, hon?
Corey.
Corey.
I don't need to go to jail.
No, you're not going to go to jail.
I'm close to getting my kids back. I'm no. In the system.
Right.
My kids coming home. And they see this, they not going to send my kids home.
Right, just put your foot in real quick, hon, okay? You don't have a driver's license on you, do you?
I don't know how to drive.
You don't know how to drive? Okay. Hon, do you live in Davenport now, or where do you live?
I live in Davenport now.
Okay, what's your address in Davenport?
It's my cousin's address, it's not mine.
Okay, well, that's okay. Okay, so you're not going to go to jail, okay? You're going to be released right here, okay? But you are going to be issued a notice to appear for resisting.
That's going to his house?
No.
He changed the address?
No. This I'm just giving to you. That's it. Nothing's going to any houses, okay? So all it is you have to make sure you go to court on the 18th of August. Are you still going to be in town? Okay. Just make sure you go to court. It's just a misdemeanor charge. You're not going to go to jail. Nothing's going to the house of the address you gave me, okay, hon? This is just what we got to do for today, okay? So you get the trespass for here, and then this just to make sure you go to court, okay? All right, hon. Go ahead and step out for me, okay? So just your copy, okay? So make sure you go to that court date, okay? All right, guys, take care.
The outcome, the subject was issued a notice to appear for resisting without violence, a first-degree misdemeanor under Florida Statute Section 843.02 with a court date of August 18th. She was trespassed from the store and released on scene without transport to jail. Officers receive a B-. De-escalation was measured throughout, and Officer Jess demonstrated genuinely professional post-arrest engagement, explaining the citation process clearly and acknowledging the subject's personal circumstances without condescension. However, the legal foundation of the arrest hinges on whether a civil trespass identification demand constitutes lawful execution of a duty under 843.02, and that remains legally unsettled. The subject receives a C+. Her refund grievance was legitimate and corroborated by the store employee on scene. She did not damage property or threaten anyone, but conditioning cooperation on receiving a refund first is not a legal defense. It converted a civil dispute into criminal exposure, and physical noncompliance during handcuffing added a chargeable offense to what was otherwise a retail disagreement. Family Dollar Management receives a C. The cashier called police rather than honor a refund his own manager had already approved, and the manager reversed that authorization once officers were present. This placed law enforcement in the position of mediating a transaction dispute and inefficient use of police resources and the direct cause of the entire incident. 3 takeaways. In Florida, the duty to identify is not automatic. It depends on whether a lawful detention or arrest exists, and knowing that distinction matters before any encounter escalates. When a trespass is invoked, the legally sound response is always to leave and pursue the dispute through civil channels, not to contest it on scene. And businesses that call police without exhausting their own chain of command transfer liability and cost onto the public and onto the customers they called police against. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like discussed in the comments below. Thank you for watching.